Hey everybody, it's Vanessa Mellow here at Lanoue Chevrolet, and today I want to talk to you about one of our used vehicles. It's a 2015 Cadillac Escalade. So as you can see, this car comes with 22-inch aluminum rims with an all-season Michelin tire. So this Caddy comes with a 6.2-liter V8 with a 6-speed automatic transmission, and it has about 104,000 kilometers on it. So here in the back you can see that it has a backup camera, all of your parking sensors in the back, and an automatic tailgate. There's tons of space back here. Just under here, there's little sections for any additional tools or storage that you may need. There's automatic flip up and fold down seats for your third row seating, along with additional charging ports. Okay, so back here and then the second and third row, as you can see, we have the entertainment package in this as well, which means your third row seating gets a TV and your second row. So as you can see, there's beige leather interior all the way out. Up here we have additional heating options for the back of the car, along with the second row heated seats. You have all your ports here for your entertainment system, plus additional plugs down here. Okay guys, so up here in the front we have obviously all your hands-free controls on your steering wheel. Your 4x4 and your light controls are over here down on this side. Your display screen basically has everything on it, but you also have buttons as well for your heated seats, air conditioned seats, all of your heated and air conditioning features for the entire car. Here's a cool button. Alright, unfortunately it does not close. There's more charging ports up here, if you can see, if I can get them open. Your CD player. This is a very large center console with additional charging, 3, 4, 5 to be exact, and the sunroof. So if you have any additional questions on this used vehicle or any other used vehicle on our lot, please give me a call, Vanessa Mellow, at 519-682-2424.